Welcome to life in the desert. Temperatures boil at over 100 degrees. The air is thick and salted with dry sand. The dangers are waiting around every salvage point. One wrong step or miscalculated movement and that's it. Predators lie in wait for the weak and vulnerable. Energy spent on failed attempts cost lives here. Vigor is a game changer but never a sure bet. Even the large can fall prey to predators. Danger hides in the wet and grasslands. Eyes are always watching. You can run and try to hide, but eventually they find you. Hidden in plain sight, or in the crevices. Predators come in all shapes and sizes. Some are large and ferocious. Some are lean and very fast. Some are pack killers, others hunt solo. Then there are the beast killers. These guys have no natural predators, other than the poachers, who are successfully eliminating populations, to the point of no return.